Today, we're diving into some mind-blowing facts about monarch butterflies. These incredible insects are more than just beautiful, they're nature's tiny superheroes. Let's explore their amazing world. Did you know monarch butterflies can travel up to 3,000 miles during their migration? This epic journey takes them from North America all the way to central Mexico. It's a combination of environmental cues and an internal biological clock. Monarchs take 4 generations to complete their annual migration cycle. The butterflies that start the journey won't finish it, but their great-grandchildren will. It's a relay race across continents, ensuring the survival of the species. Milkweed plants are crucial for monarchs. They lay their eggs on milkweed, and the caterpillars feed on it exclusively. Without milkweed, monarchs can't complete their life cycle, making conservation efforts vital. Monarch caterpillars absorb toxins from milkweed, making them poisonous to predators. Their bright colors serve as a warning sign: eat me, and you'll regret it. This natural defense helps protect them in the wild. The final generation of monarchs each year is known as the super generation. These butterflies live up to 8 months, compared to the typical 2 to 6 weeks, allowing them to complete the entire migration. From their incredible migrations to their unique life cycles and natural defenses, monarch butterflies truly are nature's marvels. Want to learn more amazing facts? Subscribe to TheCurioQuest and join us on our journey of discovery.